In the context of language models, a dataset refers to the large and diverse collection of text data used to train, validate, and sometimes test a model. LLMs or large language models require extensive datasets to learn a wide range of language patterns, understand context, generate coherent text, and perform various language-based tasks. These datasets can be sourced from books, websites, articles, and other textual materials, covering a broad spectrum of human knowledge and everyday communication. That is why when I stumbled upon this paper, I was really intrigued. As we know that in the vast landscape of AI, LLMs stand out as rapidly growing prominent features, same to towering trees in the dense forest. The data sets that feed their growth and development can be compared to the vital root system of these trees, providing the sustenance that is essential for their performance. Regrettably, the current landscape of LLM related data set is extensive with a lack of cohesive synthesis across the various types of data set. Understanding the current state and future trends of LLM data sets present a formidable challenge. So that is why this research paper covers a survey that offers a comprehensive analysis of LLM's dataset, categorizing and summarizing datasets associated with LLMs across 5 dimensions. Those 5 dimensions are pre-training corpora, fine-tuning instruction datasets, preference datasets, evaluation datasets, and traditional natural language processing datasets. Also, with this categorization, they have identified the current challenges and outlined potential directions for future dataset development in 4 key areas. And those 4 key areas are pre-training, fine-tuning instructions, reinforcement learning, and model evaluation. This survey is quite promising as it seems that it might serve as a valuable point of reference for researchers both in academia and industry. Also, if you're a newcomer or proficient practitioners, you can reference it. If you go through this paper, you can see a very interesting thing, that a timeline of the LLM datasets which is starting from 2007, which is very I should say intriguing. It is bit small, so let me make it slightly bigger if I'd be able to show you. There you go. So you see that it starts from like 2007 and then from Common Crawl, and then it goes on and on and on, and then you can see that now all these routes are, as we are in 2024, we have IR dataset, OpenMath Instruct, and FinBen, and then in between there are heaps of them, and this is I think just a glimpse of it, and there are a lot of others which are present, and they also give some sort of commentary here that orange represents pre-training corpora, yellow represents instruction fine-tuning dataset, green represents preference dataset, and pink represents evaluation dataset. How cool is that? They also have a GitHub repo where they have given more detail around awesome LLMs dataset which you can read through, and I would highly suggest that if you're looking to get a dataset, maybe give it a read because seems like a real cool deal to me. Now it's a comprehensive review in my humble opinion, because there are lot of dataset, and I think they have covered around more than 400 datasets if I'm not wrong. Cool. So I'm not going to go into each one of them. I just wanted to let you know that this exists. So if you are interested, I will drop the link in video's description. Go through it and let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.